Janie's poster. Janie. Oh. And here's my poster. That means for the Yankee dish, that means that her feet are sore. And here's my poster. Oh, look, a wee doggy. There's a wee doggy. Oh, okay, a big doggy. Lovely dog. I think we're coming up to one of the, what do you call it? Water point. Yes, water point. Hydration. Indeed. And we're going to need it because I think we've only gone 1 kilometre. Going to be stopping for the toilet. She says, feel the pain. I've got my slippers in my bag. I want to walk in the road. Okay, right. We're at the finish line. We've done it 8K. How many? Wedges. 8K. But I didn't Woohoo! We finished. We'd like to. Cheers. Bye.